Dear students, in our previous class we have discussed about fstream.h header file. But in our today's class we are going to discuss about the stream class hierarchy for IO operations. This means the stream class of IO operations has an hierarchy and how their subfiles or the substreams are derived. Regarding this concept, today we are going to discuss in our today's class. See, this is the first file here is IF stream. So this complete thing we can call it as F stream base. Okay, here IF stream is the first file. So this complete thing we can call it as IF stream base. Here OF stream is there, so this complete thing we can call it as OF stream base. And here file buff is there, so this complete thing we can call it as file buff base. Hope you have understood. Now come to the point. Look here, the F stream base. Okay, which is F stream base, this is F stream base. The F stream base is derived from the basic class IOS. See, from iOS, stdio stream is derived, and by this IO stream is derived, and from this F stream base is derived. So, completely what is F stream base is derived from the basic class iOS. Okay, and next the class IF stream, the class just this, the class IF stream is derived from I stream and F stream base. Okay, look here, the class IF stream is derived from both I stream and F stream base. The class IF stream, just this class, is derived from both the things. One is from I stream, another one is from F stream base. Is complete base. Similarly, the class OF stream is derived from both the O stream and F stream base. It is derived from, see, arrow mark is here. O stream, this OF stream is derived from O stream and IF and F stream base. Hope you have understood. See, arrow marks are given. Two arrow marks are there. One is from F stream base, arrow mark is given to O stream. And the similar way here, arrow mark is also given to off stream. And in the same way here, off stream class is derived from both OS stream as well as F stream base. Okay, you write down this diagram. Now I am going to explain few more points that is regarding file buff, how they are generated or how they are derived. And next, both IF stream and OF stream. If you see the figure, you can see these two files. This side IF stream and this side OF stream. I have written in the diagram. Acts as base classes for F stream class. Okay, that as base classes for F stream class. Then the class file buff, okay, which I have written below in this part, is derived from the class stream buff. Above that I have written stream buff. Okay, this means file buff is derived from stream buff. And next, central to file handling are three classes. The main three classes are included in file handling. Which are these three classes? One is IF stream, the next one is OF stream, and the last is F stream. And the last point is for this thing, IF stream, OF stream and F stream, for these three things, that is why in your file handling program, the program in which you are working. If you include fstream.h as header file, then no need to use iostream.h header file. If you use fstream, then no need to use iostream.h. Why? Because fstream.h inherited from iostream.h only. It means iostream includes fstream.h file in it. So for this thing, if you use fstream.h, then no need to use iostream.h. Hope up to here you have understood the hierarchy of IO operations. And now I am going to write the meaning of each file. That is, what is ifstream, what is ofstream, and what is fstream. By this you will come to know everything about these files. What is ifstream, what is ofstream, and what is fstream. So come, we shall see the meaning of these three files or three classes. Now come here, classes for file stream operations. Okay, these are the classes and these are the classes meanings. You can write down here, above this you write down here classes, and above meaning you write down here as meanings. Okay, file buff. What is the meaning of this file buff? It sets the file buffers to read and write. Buffer means it's a block of computer, or it can be the block of computer memory. Buffer means block of computer memory. File buff will set, okay, it will set the file buffers to read and write. It's the function. Then fstream base. What is the use and what is the function of fstream base? It provides the facilities for file operations, like input or output operations. It will provide facilities for operations, file operations, and consists of, and it is consisting of, open and closed member functions, along with providing facilities for file operations. It consists of open and closed member functions. And then this is a base class for fstream, ifstream, and ofstream. Fstream base is a base class for fstream, ifstream, and ofstream. Okay, now come ifstream. Here, stream class to read from files. It is a stream class. Okay, if anything we want to read from a file, then ifstream must be needed. So this is a stream class to read from files. Okay, it provides input operations. Easily we can understand. It is having starting I. Okay, so I here means if means it is for input operations for file. And next, it inherits. Okay, ifstream inherits the function. Which are the functions? Get function, get line function, and the read function. It inherits. Along with these three functions supporting random access, just like seek_g and tell_g. Okay, from iStream class, and this iStream class is defined inside iostream.h header file. Hope you have understood these things. And now the last two classes, the offstream and fstream. Offstream, it means ofstream, stream class to write and files, whereas ifstream is a stream class to read from file. Okay, but here ofstream is a stream class to write on files. It provides output operations for file. Okay, ifstream provides input operations for file, but OF stream provides output operations for files. It inherits the function put, write. Two functions and functions supporting random access sets such as seek p and tell p. IF stream supports get line and read, same as it supports put and write. Along with IF stream supports CG and tell G, but OF stream supports CP and tell P from O stream. Okay, IF stream it supports from I stream. Here OF stream supports from O stream, class defined inside IO stream dot h. And last we have left with F stream. It is a stream class for both read and write. It is only to write, but it is for read and write. Read from files, okay, or write to files. Either for both, not either, for both, to read from files and to write to files. Okay, and next it provides support for simultaneous input and output operations. It provides support for both the operations, input and output operation. It inherits all the functions. Okay, just not put, just not write, just not get, like that. It inherits all the functions and from I stream and O stream, from both the files, both the streams. Okay, classes through IO stream, which is defined inside IO stream dot h file. Hope you have understood today's concept. In our next class, we are going to discuss about types of files. If you have any doubts regarding today's class, you can ask me personally. Thank you.